This door is on borrowed time. We're going to put one that fits much better with the Balinese style we want to give the villa. First impressions from my mother.
My goodness, how beautiful it is.
Incredible. And
the design it's incredibly beautiful.
Look what's here, I'll take it out. The keys, it's screwed in.
1, 2, 3, 4, I count 5. 5, no. 4, I count 5. Ah, yes, what's under here? 5 keys.
Even the grandma's key?
this part is the interior. Wow, oh my goodness. What a beauty, the door handle, what a beauty. This door is from Eco Blue, which has exterior doors, windows. Well, in fact, the windows we put in the dining room were theirs, and we loved them, and we took a look at their website, and they had entrance doors. There were many designs, but we liked this one because it fit perfectly with the kitchen. In fact, if you notice, it's a color very similar to the kitchen, to the wood we've put in the dining room. Also, one thing we really liked was that it had light, so as not to lose the light at the entrance. A luxurious house door. First step, remove the old door. I lower the tripod to record everything. Okay, while my father is removing the frame, I'm going to take care of this area. And as you can see, we have already planned how we are going to place the tiles that are going to go in this part here. However, before placing these tiles, we have to do some preliminary things. What am I going to do while we install the door?
Preliminary number 1, we have to make the step here. Preliminary number 2, we have to make a hole here.
The little plants will go here. Preliminary number 3, we have to cover these pieces of holes. Then, when we put the gravel and so on, so that everything is at the same level and we get little plants. More like weeds, as in this case, this other one. We'll have to remove this tree and temporarily put it in a pot. This was mentioned in the Decora Tu Mismo channel, in case you missed it. The idea we have for this area is to mix wood with white, that is a layer of wooden tiles and a white layer and so on. The door is an absolute and total priority because basically we can't even leave or sleep without a door. So we absolutely have to finish it today, preferably in the morning because in the afternoon we have to leave no matter what. We wouldn't leave. We have some commitments and well, we would cancel them, but the ideal is to finish it by midday. First, I'm going to remove all the tiles, just in case I break them, as I'm a specialist in that. Third presentation. It's quite important. Tino from above clashes a bit. It's on your side where it clashes.
From the middle onwards.
I'm excited to open it.
Oh yeah. We have the door. Wow, it looks impressive. I just came to get the phone and it looks absolutely incredible. Right now, my mother is holding it from the other side, and my father is placing it. Some small pieces that ideally would be wedges, but since we don't have any, we're going to place this from here. And this is simply to hold it in position. And so we can put the quick mortar that goes here in these glasses, which is basically what goes under all the mortar. All of this will then be covered. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 on each side.
Look at the camera, Dad. Look.
The camera, Dad.
Where?
What do you mean we don't have to throw anything away, Chris?
Damn, you.
Don't you remember this one from the flower pot you made?
Yes, Soto. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, hush. Do we really need the carry cot?
There with one hand. All for the sake of the YouTube video.
Your mother will bring us the food there. Now?
The quick cement that we are going to use is this one.
What if you pick us up with the basket and take us up?
That has to scale.
If I also pass the food through there today, you are going to eat out there. I can see your teeth. Seriously, are you really going to have to eat out there? Can you pass the plate through the window? The basket feels unstable for the food. In some
old flats in Barcelona, they used to bring up the shopping like this. It was on the inside, there were some baskets, and with a pulley, they would bring the food up to your left above.
What my mother does is put the pallet on the other side. The sun is coming out so we can get a good look at the door. My goodness, what a beauty, please. And now, yes, indeed, the very last step, which is the polyurethane foam. 36 times.
You already deducted? I need to restart counting.
Well, make it 50, and so, surely that...
36, 35, 34, 35.
Look at it backwards, it's easier. Mr. Beast, who started like this on YouTube, is now quite wealthy. We could say Pilonario, and he'd start counting up to 1,000 or 10,000. Are you up for it?
Another day? Maybe I don't want to become a Pilonario.
We are going to fill the larger holes with mortar and not foam, so that it has more grip strength. Finish is done.
We're going to open it for the first time, which is exciting. My father has opened it before, but it will be his first time.
That he opened it, by the way, is very strong. But we found a Thai bill yesterday, we believe. Whoever is Thai, please confirm it. Inside the false ceiling of the bathroom, my father had to make some holes and so on for the bathroom installation. We'll continue with that next. In the hole, he spotted the bill.
And the bill, and well, surprisingly, he thought it was a piece of paper. And when I started digging into the plaster of the false ceiling...
I mean, it was stuck.
It was like stuck, more or less. It was like wedged in between the plaster.
Yes, mysteries.
I've posted questions and answers on Instagram. What do you think could have happened for that bill to end up there?
There? There is a...
Many assumptions.
If there is any kind of legend...
Who was gonna put it there? Because none of the owners of this house have been either Thai or Asian. Better has gone to...
Thailand on vacation.
Yes, the ticket has slipped in there.
The ticket is from the 80s, around 40 to 45 years old. Is that so strange?
My goodness, I don't know. Also put your assumptions here for me. Many say they are premonitions. That it brings good luck in some countries. An amulet, I didn't know the...
Name, an amulet, what?
Do you guys think...
Just in case we keep it, that's how it is. It was really 5 or 6 euros. Moreover...
The sentimental value. My goodness, hello, my goodness. She's beautiful, isn't she? Super similar to the kitchen. It looks spectacular. I love it. Yes, yes, yes. 5 fingers of door.
My goodness, super wide, huh?
The beautiful and modern things.
Did someone in your family put it? Was it you?
Grandmother?
Dark business, she says.
Were you predestined to find the Milanese guide?
Leave it there. It protects the house from negative energy.
It was meant to be yours, Balinese style.
It's getting closer and closer to being a real Balinese guide.
It's a sign from the universe. Signs that the...
Guide should be Thai and not Balinese. Surely there's more hidden out there.
You're going to keep it.
I'm going to keep it for you so it doesn't get lost.
With so much stuff.
Then we don't know where to put it.
There have been some comments saying that maybe my grandmother or Ivan had put it, but no one in the family has been to Thailand. So, If it turns out to be a Balinese bill, I think that
They would have thought that.
we put it there. It's too coincidental. It's Thai, which is Asian, right? But well, something, look, does it have some relation to Bali? That it does?
Otherwise, there would be no more London tickets.
Issue? There would be no more issue. First dishwasher of the Balinese villa. Is this cleaner than us? And after a few finishing touches to the new door, we finally have the before and after.
Okay, I don't know what kind of rocks these are, but they're stronger than Hulk.
I mean, no one can break this. My goodness, it's taking me a lifetime to make a step. I've torn down walls much easier than making this step.
I just arrived and haven't unloaded my things yet. Oh! Wow, it's super cool. What do you think? Subscribe to the channel. Need
Built big.
make it flow. What? To a luxury house like this? Oh, but Auntie, it looks good on you, doesn't it? Look in the mirror and everything. Of course, it's the cool guy's thing.
I put in more hours, huh?
To win, ours was faster.
I've been able to do this little bit, but the truth is that from here on, it's resisting me a lot. Between that and these huge rocks are problems. I'll wait until tomorrow because I have a hammer drill about 4 times bigger than this one. I'll bring it and we'll finish the job. Hello?
Have you changed there? Wow, how beautiful. I love the color too, it's cool. It's out of the ordinary.
Liar.
Is going to remove all the little plants? Those look like nettles, right? Do they come out from the root or what? Yes. Oh, it gets caught, doesn't it? In the glove. And my Aunt Marie is gonna go picking up all this rubble. Let's say we did the other day. Oh my goodness!
Who is this?
Oh my goodness, this is outrageous.
I'm going to tell your father.
Okay. Damn, I just dropped something else. I dropped my phone from this damn tripod and I think this broke. Yes, my fault. Why? I didn't weigh it down again, and it was windy. And boom, bang, there's another little gift for you. The wind they make is not normal. Look, it's knocked down the tree and everything. We brought the substrate we needed to finish filling. And Laya with Loli's gloves, because it couldn't be any other way, we're going to finish filling it.
I had never put on the gloves of...
Loli, right? Is this the first time you've stolen them? It won't be the last. Have those gloves been through all hands?
I didn't say it.
I didn't say it, but I put some holes at the bottom to drain the water. This is extremely important. I think it's good now. Done. The little tree is placed. What is this? Oysters? Had they made a den there? Oysters?
This, what is it, little snail?
They had formed one
Family.
Look at the snails. What is that?
What? What you touched?
Does it look like a stone?
Yes, isn't it? Can I see?
You say cookie.
Oh yes, it's hard. What is this? It looks like a button, doesn't it?
Let's see if we find gold here. Can you imagine? Gold? No, but bugs as many as you want, huh? It's starting to take shape, color, and everything. But I'm sure when you try them, you'll like them.
Artichokes never disappoint. Here you have to try all the veggies. Eggplant, yes or no?
Yes, it will taste better. Off all of them.
To the center and for...
Inside and tomorrow to the barricanta. Well, we have run out of mortar to be able to do, so we are going to have to finish filling the gaps also the next time we come. For the next one, we have pending to finish making the flower bed. Cover the holes that remain 3. Start with the wall and the wood, tile wood effect that needs to be placed. And with that, we will see the area quite advanced.
In fact, if I can, and hopefully I can bring the plants already and we will see a bit of green. But we are going to combine a couple of plants that are going to look really cool.
The thing is that I also have to bring the irrigation system, and that is quite important. Because I have to install a solar one, because for now there is a long distance to the water supply, so I will have to do it with a kind of tank and solar.
Many little things, but this is already being seen.
Mine only a curtain of 4. Come and see 2? Yes, all 4 are already there.
To a tree or anything, the land belongs to the neighbor. Imagine.
Look, they have bought the same ones. Curtains.
Yeah, so...
And the illusion that it wouldn't have happened that the turkey brought the curtain home to us.
Are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore.
My goodness, we've spent everything.
After all the pruning, everything looks much clearer and better now.
Wow, yes.
I have.
Given 34, but I have gone very well, very well.
My goodness, please.
Such a way the aunt, huh? So skinny she is?
2 minutes. $138. To the wall.
They would also work.
40 and half of this.